Hello, welcome to my 17th video. Today's topic is autonomy. Thank you for watching my earlier 16 videos. Thank you for watching, subscribing, liking, comment and sharing with others. Please watch full video. It is very short, maximum 5 minutes, to get the maximum benefits of contents. This is second video on psychological development. So to get the benefit of psychological development, please watch my all the 8 videos. Now we begin the today's topic. The second stage of psychological development is autonomy. If it failed, we develop shame or doubt in our personality. The first 2 weeks of pregnancy is the foundation of the personality. After first week of fetal development, basic growth begins as the brain, spinal cord, basic growth of gastrointestinal tract begin to form. Therefore, it is important that both mother and father should know when the mother has conceived. During early pregnancy, when the mother has experienced emotions and weeping, it affects the baby. Mood swings. This is a common thing in the early pregnancy, especially the first time pregnancy. It's important to note that a baby grows in a calm environment, develops his or her personality very successfully. Now, important thing is the autonomy in the infant feeding decision. Especially the teenage mothers, appropriate feeding practices are adopted by the old mothers in the home. Infant should have autonomy in having breast milk. We have to ensure that initial 3 psychological developments are successful, because the personality get formed in the first 3 psychological developments. You have watched the first psychological development trust in my earlier video. This video is on autonomy, and please watch my next video on initiative. Personality includes these stable 3 stages that define each human being as unique. Now, Erikson has defined this stage of psychological development as toilet training period, that is 18 to 36 months. Instead of allowing the baby to do it naturally, mother put pressure as per her wish. The messages conveyed to the baby are: hurry up, be perfect, please mother, be strong. These compulsive messages remains in the person and throughout the life of that person. Now, with these compulsive messages from the parents during this period, it also makes the person to insist on others to be, hurry up, be perfect, please others, be strong, these behaviors. Autonomy means ability to make your own decision without being controlled by anyone else. Well, friends, here I conclude. I hope you have enjoyed my video. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. Please like, comment and share. Thank you very much.